All right, this under the desk elliptical is amazing. Nice and lightweight, very portable, easy to use, easy to store away. Comes in this nice mat that it's on right here to keep the floor nice and protected, keep the machine nice and protected. This thing's very easy to control, can be controlled with this remote right here. There are straps that go over the feet if you want to do that. Let me actually just go get them to show you. Here are the straps. You want to put them over your feet. I don't have them. I don't think they're fully necessary. You've also got these that you can clip on to work your arms. And so it's on mode 1 right now, or speed 1. I'm just going to speed it up all the way to speed number 12, which is the highest speed there is on here. That's speed 12. And we can go in reverse as well. And you can go in reverse at every speed. So this is going to reverse at speed 12, but you can go in reverse all the way down to speed 1. Let's go back down. Let's go down to, let's just say speed 4. We're at speed 4 now. Now, there are also, as it's doing this, it's doing a scan. So it's showing the time I've been doing it for, the distance I've done, speed, the pedal count, the calories. And now, let's go through the different modes. So you got preset mode 1, where you can set it however you want, whatever you want on that mode. You got preset mode 2, preset mode 3, preset mode 4, preset mode 5, preset mode 6. And now we're back to the heart rate, Bob. So this is a great elliptical machine, and I highly recommend it to you.